Good evening. Yeah, let's quickly let me quickly show you where we stopped on the pattern. There is the decision point. Identify decision point. Then we go straight to the trade that are analyzed on Friday evening on the forum. I really want to show you how I got to that point, so that when you don't use that as a benchmark. Use that as a benchmark, because if you don't study and master the process, you can't get the results right. Yes, please delete those believe that you don't want pass trade. Learn the process, master it. It works. The same pattern works all over every time, so that when you see it, you use the same principle, the same rules, obey the rules, you get the results. Please listen carefully, do get the results. To few of you that will accept the right truth, what I'm telling you, you surely get the result. Please. So I've shown you the pattern. How can you identify the pattern on our past videos? I've shown you how to identify the patterns, then the objectives behind the pattern, so that when you see it, you'll be able to recognize it and take your trade. Yeah, I tell you, price action is top of the chart. Is the top of the chart. So learn how to read price. Learn how to read price, especially the candlestick. That is what represents the minds and the sentiments in the market. Yeah, you can't do away with candlesticks. You can't do away with the candlestick. You can't do away with it. So learn to understand that. Now I still want to present you the golden words of Richard Wyckoff before we go into that these trader examples. I really want this to instill in your heart. That's why I'm bringing it up now and then. Because if you understand the psychology that works in this market, you will go far. There's a psychology behind what works. If you understand the psychology, you will go far. There is a manipulation in the market. There is a manipulation. It is a rightful thing. It is a legal manipulation. Yes, that's why you can't sue anybody. You can't sue any brokers or whatever, or those market makers. You can't sue them. You can't sue them because it is a legitimate manipulation. You place your order. When you place your order, you are calling them at the same time to come and take the order from you. That's the manipulation. Yes, like Richard Wyckoff rightly says here, he said they sit behind the skins and manipulate the stock to your disadvantage. That is, they manipulate the market to your disadvantage. If you do not understand the game as he plays it, listen carefully. If you don't understand the game plan, the structure, if you don't understand the structure as they place it in the market, all the structure you are seeing, the market head and shoulder, all those price patterns, the market makers establish those structures because they make the price. So it is to your great profit if you do understand it. Understanding is the key. That is why the Bible says, get wisdom. In all that getting, get understanding. Get understanding. When you understand what you are doing, you are in control. So you try to play the market game as the composite man played it. So let this golden words still in your heart. Let it control your psychology. Let it control your mindset. Let it control your psychology. Understand what is playing in the market, because ignorance is a great risk. So right now, the EURUSD trader presented in the forum. This is the way I presented it. If you listen carefully, if you have been following, if you have been duly following my this is where I started from. You understand? This is where I started from. So if you clearly understand demand and supply, how to identify the demand and supply zone or other blocks, you will get to know where the Euro USD, what is doing right now. Yeah, I presented to you the weekly charts, and I refine it. You must refine the pattern so that you see clearly the underlying pattern in a lower time frame. Why you are refining your pattern is to do what? Is to get a good risk reward ratio. Yeah, so get a is to negotiate for a very low risk trade. You understand? You don't allow the brokers to take advantage of you, giving you high spread, and you put your stop loss in the high this. No, it's a great risk. Refine your chart. Always refine your chart. So this is the weekly chart. You can see the weekly chart here. You see the other blocks being retested here. This is the other blocks. This is the demand. You can call it demand zone. So this is the weekly demand zone and other blocks. So once you get something like this, in a higher time frame, weekly charts, so you identify for your first portion as a price action trader is to identify the market buyers in a higher time frame. Identify the market buyer, where the market is doing in a higher time frame, the status of the market structure in higher time frame. Understand it. So you see that the price is bouncing off the other blocks, the weekly other blocks. You see the bounces off here this week. That's tiny wick there at the bottom of this last candle, or at the end of Friday, last week Friday. See it? You see this place? You see this candle? You see the withdrawal? You see the withdrawal? It's a price rejection, right? It's a price rejection. So because the price has come down inside the demand zone, and it's right now is bouncing up. It could come here. We are looking at it, the price to come here. It may still go down, but it will still come here. Right now, it will come here. It will touch here. Then, if it probably it will be because right now I think in the weekly chart we have a demand. This thing is still under the ranging or whatever it's doing. So we have identified our market structure in weekly charts. Now you switch over to what? Refining the chart makes you to switch over to daily charts. You get the same structure in daily charts. See it? This daily chart. This daily chart. Can you see that? So let me go to trading view. On my trading view, this is what I get on weekly chart. You see it? This is what I teach in VIP class. So you mark out the demand zone here. Demand zone. Can you see this candle leaves this zone with a significant volume here, right? And it came back to it. Yeah, it came back to it. Let's replay it. So you see how the market bounces off it. So you mark once you get to this place, and you see this, you clearly see this. What do? You mark it. Wow, see this decision point here. Oh God, oh God, oh God. See it. I'm telling you, this pattern is superb. It's awesome. It's awesome. So you see how market come back to bounce to retest our marked area. So that is what happened at the close of market last week Friday. the other blocks or the demand zone has been tested here. So what do we do? Can you see this? See the wick. You see the withdrawal here from here to this place. See withdrawal. So right now market is trying to bounce off this zone. It may come here. We are looking at it to. This is weekly chart. We are looking at it to come and test here. We are looking at it to test here. So those are the area, the points of interest. We are looking at it to see come up there. Because if you look at this structure right now, the structure is, I think it's up. Yeah, the structure is up. Bullish structure. Yeah, bullish structure. Can you see? This is the structure. Can you see it? Zigzag. So that is the structure. Can you see that? Zigzag, zigzag, higher high, higher lows. This place has not been broken. So the bullish structure is still intact as long as this place has not been broken downward. This one has not been broken downward, it's still intact. So we are looking at the market to do what? To come here, retest here, probably come down to want to test this place, or you can't predict, just trade what the market gives you. So it may go up, it may still go up to touch here, but if it does not go up, it will hit here and bounce downward to come here. Then the next thing will be to target here, because if I look backward, yeah, this high has been tested here, right? This high has been tested. This significant high in weekly has been tested. So I'm looking at the market to do what? The market to come down to test all this area, all this those decision point area. So that's what we are looking at, right? So let's delete off. So I'll just show you the market structure there. Now we refine it to what? To daily charts. Let's refine to daily charts. Refine to daily charts. So this is what I teach in VIP class. This is just a bonus offer for you guys. You see it here. This is the other block in weekly charts. Refine into daily charts. See the other blocks here. How do you mark out this thing? Oh God, I'm showing you. You see here, the price here now, the price has come down to touch this place. Price is reacting to this place, to that daily demand zone. Daily demand zone. Can you see it? This place, this is the point. This is a decision point there. We get decision point there. Okay. So that is why the price is reacting. This is decision point lane. This decision point lane. Can you see it? Right now, the market is trying to. That's why you are seeing all those withdraw this week or this week. That's why you are seeing those week there. I see those week. That's why you are seeing this withdraw. Because of this place. This is decision point here. And we still don't want to enter yet because we never got to a lower time frame to see our entry pattern in the same way we got in higher time frame. So you see refine down. You can see refine down. You can see refine down. can see. Hello? You can see the fine down. Hello? Yeah, good evening, good evening. Who is it, please? Ah, please, I'm in class. Let me call you back, please. I'm in class. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. So you can see that we have refined this into lower time frame, daily charts, and it has crossed this place. Then we go back to, sorry, I just have a clock call there. So we still want to see more this in here. We got another clue, which is 1 2 3 3D point. Let's refer to 4 hours. We refer to 4 hours. What do we get? Let's see what we get in 4 hours. The internet is poor. Anyway, the internet is poor right now. So anyway, I've gotten it in your Disney there. Let's go to, I refine it in the Disney to the chart. Okay, this is it. This is 4 hours. This is what I got in 4 hours. We'll go back there if the internet has come up, really come up. Yeah, yes, it has come up. It's not yet come up. But what's happening? My internet is misbehaving. Good. Anyway, so you can see that we got the distance here. This is 4-hour chart. We refined the 4 hours. Under the 4 hours here, can you see this flag? See this bullish flag here? This fully bullish flag prior to this rally. It was tested here. So this is the bullish flag here. Now this is the flag. Then you can see my distance here. I point it out here. Bullish flag. Then that is another order block nested. According to this play, a nested order block, nested inside the higher time frame order block. This brown is a daily and weekly demand zone, right? The weekly and demand. Now we have the 4 hours, another 4 hours demand zone. That's the end of this flag, bullish flag here, form a demand zone. Now price come back inside. Price come back to test it. That's why you are having, we have a convergence of those time frame point of interest. The weekly, daily, 4 hours, converging, and price is testing. That's why the price is sure to go up here, right? Now, if you go back to, let's see if internet has come up. If internet has come up. Good. Okay. So yeah, internet has come up. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Can you see this? See it? I want to show you clearly. Can you see? This is it. This is the flag, right? This is the flag. So we mark it out. We mark it out. This is the flag here. Now, at the end of this flag here, we have our demand zone. This is for our demand zone. So that is why price is doing what price is touching that place. Mark it forward. So while we are doing this, we want to identify our point of interest in the convergence of point of interest. Yeah, Can you see it? So right now we are looking for price to do what? We are looking for price in these 4 hours. We are looking for price to come up here. Price will surely come up here. So come and test this place and maybe BMS, then go up, then probably come down again. So we are looking to trade the bounces of this 4 hours block, then other block or demand zone. Then 1 hour. Under 1 hour, what do we have under 1 hour? What do we have under 1 hour? Oh, sorry. I'm showing you how to refine your charts to get a good, because you don't want to enter on a higher time frame. To get a good this thing. Wow, see this pattern here, head and shoulder pattern. It should be, I believe, I'm very sure this head and shoulder happens at a particular key support level. Yeah. So 1 hour, let's expand it to see. You know, this 4 hours demand zone, right? You want to see clearly if you can get another this thing inside here. Yes, you can see clearly. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, that place is retracing down. That place. Then price. That is why price come here. This place here, it was bounces off there. Then here we have, as price tested this place, what pattern does it give us in 1 hour? What pattern does it give us in 1 hour? What pattern does it give us? Wow. Can you see the pattern? AMD. Yeah, I'm trying to see AMD here. Can you see that? So you must be wide in your analysis. You don't use only one clue. You look out for patterns that match up. That will give you a strong clue. That's what you are looking at. This is a AMD. Can you see it? Because this place here, this place has been touched. Has been this is a stop mount. Can you see the price rejection here? This is stop manipulation, right? Let me draw it out so you can see it. This is stop mount. Stop mount. So this is a manipulation, right? Sorry, accumulation. For those of you that are looking for me to explain, for me to do some this thing on AMD, we are using AMD right now again to emerging with in confluence with other patterns. In order to get a strong clip, can you see the price try to move up to break above this place? Once this place is broken above, we will look for a retrace or a test of it and to buy, in order to buy, right? This is AMD in 1 hour. AMD has shown in 1 hour. See here, we have AMD here. If you have gotten to this place, you can imagine this is a missed opportunity. See missed opportunity, AMD. See it, AMD. After this 3, 1, 2, 3 drive. Can you see it? Oh God, I'm showing you a secret here. This is what I showed them in VIP that I'm giving to you. See AMD, accumulation. It came down to take out this stop hunt. This stops here. Now can you see this place is your entry point? You will have made a lot of money here. Good money. Good money. Good money. If you use your Fibonacci, you can use your Fibonacci, you can use your whatever. You see, this is what? This is your source pattern. The last candlestick here before this rally. You take it out, then price touch it. That will be your okay, let's therefore do that. I'm just giving you this as a bonus. Listen carefully. I'm just giving you this as a bonus. So can you see this? This price came back inside here. So this will have been your what? Your entry point. Your entry point. Let's see this in here. So, oh sorry, it should be a long position. I'm showing you how you will have taken this way so that we just master this principle, please. Master it. So you mark out this thing here. You can use your buy limit. You can use your buy limit, right? So our target will be here, right? Our target is here. That's high there. This double high, equal high. This is your target, right? That's your first target. How many distance do we use there? How many stop loss? We use just 11 or 12 pips. 12 pips. To get what? To get 61 pips. Wow. 12 into 51. What is risk reward? 5.25. This is risk reward ratio. 5.25. 27, I mean. 5.27. And you can see price moving up. Once you enter it, it's enter your this in here. Your buy limit is filled at this price level. Your buy limit is filled at 1.1763. Your stop loss is at where? At 1753. 12 pips, and price moves up. Can you see your order is hit here? Your take profit is hit beyond, went up. So can you see that? Can you see that? And price came back again. It does not. Can you see the price does not go below this place again? It retested the order. You see our opportunity. We have another AMD pattern here. So on Monday we are looking for this place to move up again like it did here. This 1 hour, right? This 1 hour. I show you 15 minutes on Friday. I show you 15 minutes move on Friday. Yeah, this is 30 minutes. And see this 30 minutes. See it. This place has been taken out. We will have entered God. Good pips, good points. So this is AMDB set up right now in 30 minutes chart. I said lower time frame refinement AMD pattern on 30 minutes. Price has already entered the distribution phase. So that is why we hope to buy on Monday. We hope to buy into this on Monday. So let me refine down to 15 minutes to see that pattern clearly. Oh God, oh God, oh God. AMD. Can you see it? And price come inside to touch this place. Yeah. This will have been your point, another point to buy. Good point here. You made good point. Your first take profits could be here. Yeah, if you have entered here, you grab it. So wow, AMD pattern. I love this. See it. This candle took out the low here, and it retested it. It does not break below this low. It will have been an opportunity for you. So what will I do? I will put up my Fibonacci. Oh God, you are fortunate to have gotten this pattern free of charge. What I teach in VIP, free of charge. this is our zone. As this place was being rejected at 0.89 high probability zone. Go and watch that video, Fibonacci. It was being rejected, so you put your stop loss here, then your this thing will be placed. You can use your buy limit or stuff. So my this thing will be at 0.89. Then my first stock profit will be here. So price, you can use, if you watch carefully, you will see there's another pattern, entry pattern there. If you have to be smart, guys, you have to be smart. You have to be smart so that market will give you a good point of entry. See another pattern here. See here. See here. See here. After this one, after this rejection, what happened here? Can you see it? It came down. It came down. I'm just showing you your entry pattern. When you get your decision point, you refine it. Then when you refine it to a lower time frame, identify your entry pattern in a lower time frame that is in alignment with a higher time frame structure. You know, in 1 hour, 4 hours, we already got our AMD or other blocks retest, right? So the same thing is happening here. You see it? This is another demand zone being retested here, and price is trying to bounces off it. You will have used this place, another thing. Can you see here? You have used this place here, and price move up. You will have made good money here. See it? 89 stop loss. Then you enter at 78. Wow. If you target this previous high as your first take profit, you can imagine you use just 3 pips. 3 pips. You see the benefit of refining your pattern in a lower time frame. 3 minutes. Here we will have even given you more this, but here still give you another good opportunity. 3 minutes. Then your decision is 21. That is almost with that times 7. Reward is times 7. And you have already gotten enough this in here. Prior to the close of market last week, 16 pips. That's 5 times, that's times 5. Good point. You use 3 pips. If you use a mini lot, that's $3, you get $16. If you use standard lot, $30, you get $160. Sharp. But based on your account size, please, based on your account size, don't use more than 2%, or something. I can even prefer to use 1%. But if you are good enough, 2% is okay. Yeah. You can imagine what it give you here. So guys, I will close it. I will still come back for another, because of I don't want this to be long. Yeah.